Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager, Ed Martin Toyota, Noblesville, Indiana. Just wanted to reach out and show you a quick up close and personal look at the custom install of an Escort MAX Ci 360 radar detector jammer, 360 degrees. This is, they claim to be the most advanced detection system in the world. What we've done here is we've installed the pieces through the grill, so it's got a nice kind of incognito look to it. As you can see, there's another piece right there in the middle, and then another one on that side as well. I'll stand back so you can kind of see it, or maybe not see it. And then on the side, or on the back, excuse me, we have another piece of hardware that's installed right there. And then I'll show you how the functionality, or at least the install, looks on the inside. That is the installation of the volume and the marker points and the power. And then the installation up here for the so the controller speed limit is way up here. And then of course, again, the control mechanism down here to the right of the steering column. That's just a quick look of the overall installation of the Escort Ci 360 Max on a 200 series Land Cruiser. If you have any questions, give me a call at 317-385-9572.